In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the same text or pictures to all slides in watermark style and logo style in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's open a PowerPoint presentation. This is a presentation slide that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to add some text or a logo to this presentation slide. Let's see the watermark style first. In the title bar, click on View. In the menu bar, Slide Master. In the title bar, click on Insert. Go to Pictures, then This Device. Select your picture. After adding the picture, resize and reposition it according to your needs. Right-click on the picture. In the pop-up, click on Picture Format. In the Format menu, go to the Picture tab. Now expand the Picture Transparency option. Click on Preset. Here, a couple of presets are available. Select one to your liking. Now let's add some text. Go to Insert and take a text box. Type your text in the text box. In the title bar, click on Slide Master. In the menu bar, click on Close Master View. Here you can see that our picture and text are added to every slide. Now, if you want to add your picture as a logo, go to the Slide Master view just like before. This time, make the picture smaller and place it in the corner of the slide. Now close the Master View option. Here you can see that our logo is added to the corner of every slide.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.